Egypt's General Authority for Investments has described the forum as an excellent opportunity to expand trade and investment relations. Representatives from 50 Chinese companies have met with 100 Egyptian businessmen, and delegates from both sides have spoken openly about their plans and worries. For Egypt, one concern is the trade imbalance between the two countries.
We have a big trade relation between Egypt and China, but it is one way. It is from China to Egypt is the majority. And we need for the Chinese companies to come and invest in industry, in agriculture, in technology, to make the products here with the Chinese know-how.
Statistics show that China's direct investment in Egypt has nearly doubled in just 1 year, jumping from $60 to $119 million in 2015-2016. And that figure could grow next year if Egypt addresses some of China's concerns.
Long time for the registration of the company with the security checking. We need at least half a year to register the company. Is it is it too much? Then also for Chinese staff to get the working visa is also very difficult. Sometimes it's even 7-8 months for Chinese investors. Very big obstacle. We see the determination from Egyptian government to do it.
Egypt is hoping a new investment law will speed up the process. The draft legislation is being handed over to the parliament this week and is expected to be passed before the end of the year.
Egypt has massive return opportunities and massive climate improvement that is well founded and reflected in the World Bank report on doing business this year. For the first time there has been a jump in the positioning of Egypt, particularly with incorporation of businesses that has jumped 34 positions this year. So this is all part of a macro plan of reform that we are persistent to implement effectively in Egypt.
Currently, China is the 23rd largest foreign investor in Egypt, and the two countries are hoping that soon it will become among the top 10. The Investment Authority says 1,300 Chinese companies are operating in the Egyptian market with a total investment worth $500 million and a trade volume estimated at $11 billion. Adel EL Mahrouky, CCTV, Cairo.